Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Google just introduced file search tool in their Gemini API, and with this new file search functionality, it can easily replace the traditional rack system and it can save $1,000 of cost for building the rack system. How? Because it will remove the embedding cost, it will remove the database management cost, all the embedding and database management and all other system it will manage internally. You will just provide the question and it will search of the documents and it will give you the proper answer. How it will work, with the help of simple example I will explain you. And also here you see that this is the fully working code that they have given inside their Google AI Studio. How it will work, I will show you. And also here you see that this is the documentation. From this documentation also you will understand the code. Okay, and this picture is very important, that how file search works inside this Gemini API. Okay, so let me start. Here you see that this is the simple example. This is the real life, that the old way of building the traditional rack system. How we can build: hire a developer for 3 weeks and you will pay $800 per month for building this embedding API, and still you can get the wrong answer if the chunks are bad. And what is the new way of Gemini file search? The shop owner uploads the PDF himself in 5 minutes, and total cost may be $5 to $20 per month even with heavy use. Okay, and also the answers are more accurate because Google uses Gemini's brain to understand the documents, not just keyword or vector matches. So suppose you have the 50 documents, okay, and whenever you are searching anything, you are going to that particular document and you are doing the control F and you are searching that particular keyword, and that particular keyword is present in 15 times inside that document, and the context that you are searching for, you have to search in that 15 lines, that in which line your context is matching. Okay, this is very difficult, right? And when you are building this traditional rack system, then also if the embedding is not good, if the chunks are not good, then also you will not get the right answer. But what this Gemini file search is doing, here you see that this is their process, that they are building this embedding process and they are managing their hidden database. You cannot touch this database. Okay, so what is the whole process? Here you see that you upload the document, and after that they have their internal file storage, they are storing there, and after that they are making the chunks from that data, and after that they are embedding that, and they are using their own embedding model, and after that they are storing that embeddings inside the database, and this is their hidden database. You cannot touch that database. Now your data got stored inside this database, this is fine. And after that, when you are asking the question, the specific question, if it has the knowledge, then it will give that answer. Here you see. But if it doesn't have the knowledge, then it will go to this database, to that embedding model, and it will query and it will find that information from the database, and whenever it will get that, it will give you that final answer. This is the simple process of indexing and query process of file search. Now here inside this documentation they have just written one thing. Let me show you. You only pay for the creating of embeddings when you first index your files at a fixed rate of $0.15 per 1 million token. Okay, and now if you have a less documents, then the pricing will be less, and if you have many documents, then your pricing will be less. So you will just pay for the embeddings, not for the query. This is the important things. Now here you see how file search works. Simple and integrated developer experience and powerful vector search. Okay, built-in citations, support for a wide range of formats, means PDF, docs, text, JSON, any type of files you can upload. and this model response automatically includes citations that specify which parts of your documents were used to generate the answer and simplifying the verification. And also it is powered by their latest state-of-the-art Gemini embedding model. The file search uses vector search to understand the meaning and context of a user's query. Now the advantage of using this Gemini file search is that you don't have to build this file system from scratch. Okay, so here you see that they have given this code, given this code for directly uploading to the file search store. This is the file uploading code, and after that this is the code for importing the file and searching, and this is the chunking information. So all of the code that they have given, and if you don't understand, then this is the fully working code. And what they have written here, that if you just want to try this, then you need a paid API key. And so just give some dollar, like $5, to test this app. This app also link also I have given in description. Go there, you will find this, and here you will find this select Gemini API key. So after you pay $5, then only you are able to use this. Okay, so here you have to upload the files, and after that you can ask the question and you are good to go. So this is their demo app that they have mentioned, that how it actually works, and you will get the full code from here. Here you see that how it actually managing that, and how it is querying that. Okay, all of that functionality is written here, so you can understand the full code base, the full functionality from here, right? So this is the thing. And now at the end, if I just make a summary that how it is completely replacing RAGs, here you see that uh, simple document question answer, RAG is not needed. Gemini file search is perfect. You have a less than 1,000 documents, mostly text and PDFs, then you don't need the traditional RAG system. This Gemini file search API is enough. And if you want the full control, if you want the chunking need to be made in your custom way, then you need the traditional RAG system. And this is the things. Okay. So I hope you got the idea that why this Gemini file search is replacing the RAGs. Because if you are a normal shop owner, and if you want to build the normal one app where you have a some kind of manuals of your product, uh, and you want to search in that manual, then this type of normal uh, Google file search rack system will be enough for you. You don't have to hire multiple developers to build a rack system. Okay, and here your charge will also be less. Okay, so I hope that you got the idea how it actually works. So please test it, and please read the documentation and let me know your experience, your thoughts in the comment section. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to watch the other videos also.